Hi guys, welcome to Data Talk with Ifine. So in today's video, I'll be discussing about data lifecycle. This is an important concept in data analytics and it's good all data analysts know how their data move around. So data lifecycle has to do with the overall journey of your data from collection to storage to analysis and to final destruction. Destruction here means you being done with your data. Then you delete it because it's of no use again. I'll be using some stages to explain data lifecycle. And the first stage is the plan stage. The plan stage has to do with you brainstorming on the data set to use and how important this data set will be in the project you're about to kickstart. So it has to do with just planning, organizing your mindset on the best data set to use. So the next stage is the capture stage. Capture stage means you are done with planning, right? So it's now time for you to gather this data. So there are several ways you can get your data. There's the survey, there's the database, there's system, there's sensor. There are many ways you can gather this information, this data in question. So the next stage is the manage stage. Manage stage has to do with you organizing and storing the information you've gathered so far. So you store your data and information in a way that it is easily accessed and can be used for analysis. So the next stage is the analyze stage. It's the very important stage for all analysts because this is when you draw patterns, you find insights, you see trends and conclusions. This is when you do the analysis work, the general analysis work. So after you are done with that, the next stage is the archive stage. Archive stage is a space where you keep data that is no longer in use or is no longer active to you, and you can also use it in time to come. So this stage, you are not deleting your data, you are keeping it in a space where you can always go there to get the data when the need be, but currently you are not in need of it, so you just keep it somewhere. This is the archive stage. Then there's the destroy stage. Destroy stage is when you successfully destroy or delete the data because you are no longer in need of it. So that is the destroy stage. Let me give a brief overview about the data lifecycle again. So there's the plan stage. You brainstorm as a data analyst, think of data to use. There's the capture stage. Oh yes, I've seen the data I want to use. How do I go about gathering this information? How do I go about gathering this data? There's survey, there's database, and the rest. Then there's the manage stage. Manage stage has to do with you storing and organizing your data. Yes. Then there's the analyze stage. Analyze stage basically means undergoing analysis, examining patterns, trends, insights, and drawing conclusions. Archive stage is where you keep data that is no longer active, but you'll be needing it later. Then there's the destroy stage. Destroy stage is when you are done with the data, is of no use to you again, so you destroy it. Why? To clear space or clarity in what you are doing. So I've explained the data life cycle. I hope you find this data life cycle useful to you as a data analyst. Kindly share, like, subscribe, and comment to this video. Thanks, guys.